Do you ever buy something in the moment and later think, why did I even buy that? Yeah, impulse buying can quietly destroy your budget without you noticing. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix impulse buying in a realistic, sustainable way. Step 1, figure out what triggers your impulse spending. Is it boredom, stress, late night scrolling, sales notifications? Most impulse purchases are emotional, not logical. Next, apply the 24-hour rule. For any non-essential purchase, wait one full day before buying. For larger items, wait 72 hours. That pause breaks the emotional decision cycle. Make impulse buying harder. Remove saved cards from shopping apps. Turn off one-click checkout. Log out after browsing. Even small friction reduces automatic spending. Instead of banning spending completely, set a weekly fun allowance, maybe $25 or $50. Once that limit is reached, pause until next week. This keeps control without feeling restricted. Impulse buying often replaces another need: entertainment, comfort, distraction. Replace it intentionally. Go for a walk. Watch something you already have access to. Call a friend. Change the habit, not just the spending. Here's a powerful trick: track what you didn't buy. If you skipped a $40 purchase, transfer that amount into savings. Watching that savings grow feels better than the temporary excitement. Unsubscribe from promotional emails. Mute shopping app notifications. Avoid browsing for fun. Marketing is designed to trigger urgency and fear of missing out in boss. And yeah, it works. Impulse buying isn't about lack of discipline. It's about unmanaged emotion and easy access. When you slow decisions down and build small systems, control becomes automatic. So, to fix impulse buying, and identify triggers, pause before purchases, remove easy payment access, set spending limits, and redirect saved money. Small changes done consistently, yeah, they completely transform your financial stability.
If you've worked hard to